My name is Lynne Gottesman. I'm going to be 73. I have spinal stenosis in my back, and I've had both my knees replaced. And walking and exercise are a problem. I can't stand a long time, and I can't walk a distance without using a cane or a walker. I was looking for a program that would give me a chance to do some exercise without having to run around all the time. And so I found LudoFit, and I found it was a really good fit. I like the rah-rah you get when you do good or bad. It's not too hard on my back, and I can do the exercises with a walker. And I like it because you can do a few minutes at a time. So if you have a break in your schedule and you're just sitting around, instead of sitting around, I could turn the computer on and get some exercise. It keeps me moving. You do work up a sweat with it. I do, at least, and so it gets me moving. I'm trying to lose weight, so every little bit helps. Well, once you download, it's very simple to use. You just click on the icon. It has tells you how well you're doing, how many points you've scored. It helps you do everything you need to do, how many minutes you're working out, how far you've come. If you can check your progress. You have different games, so if you want to, so you're not bored. Reasonably priced. And it's easy. You do the level of exercise you want to do. I highly recommend it.